you guys want to escape tier 10 and skyrocket your royalties on Merch by Amazon, then settle in, because today we're unlocking the secret to making $100 a day in passive income by selling killer phone case designs. Let's get that money rolling. We've got a jam-packed step-by-step guide that will help you research, design and upload phone cases that will skyrocket your sales and royalties. Let's dive right in. So step number one is definitely research. The magic begins right here. We're on a mission to pinpoint trending patterns and niches in high demand. Bearing in mind, your phone case designs should strike a balance between uniqueness and relevance. I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll start the process. So I'm using Merch Dominator. I'm going to go to bestsellers and I'm going to choose the product phone cases, and I'm going to go to sorting and click on newest. Then I'll click on search. I'm going to try and see something that appeals to me. This one right here looks interesting. The reason why it looks interesting is because I saw a similar niche that's trending in t-shirts, right? So when we do newest in t-shirts, you can see this niche right here is trending well. So something along these lines should work quite well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it in product search, research it a little bit further. It immediately copies the title in search products right here. I'm going to remove everything else and just keep the main keyword, just like that. Click on search. Right, we have 1,000 results. Now, I'm looking to sub-niche even further. I want to see if I can find an opportunity. Now, we can see that this niche sells really well, right? Can I find something that sells even better and that has low competition? Right, so immediately we can see this one right here. I love my girlfriend. I heart my girlfriend. And another one here. BSI is decent. So now I'm going to plug in that keyword instead, just like that. Right, we've got 2,000 results. Now the results have gone up, but we have other sub niches that we can potentially explore. Now check this out. This is doing well. So far, it's the best BSR that we found. There's another one. It looks like this is a matching boyfriend-girlfriend kind of design, right? So I'm going to copy this quote and plug it in again to try and dig deeper, right? And lower the search results, lower the competition. I'm going to copy the title, go back to product search, and I'm going to keep this long tail keyword, this whole phrase here, and click on search. Check this out, guys. 62 results only. And there we have it. I think this is the niche. Gonna work on this one. With our research completed, the moment has come to breathe life into our ideas. Now, we know for sure that this font works really well in this kind of niche, right? So I'm gonna keep the same font. Now, the challenge we have is we're gonna run the risk of looking too similar to the original design, but we have to change it slightly. So I'm thinking to maybe add a border around the design and maybe change the font color from white to black and make the background of the phone case white instead. Because I don't think they have it here. Yes, they have it here, but not on the same kind of quote. Now, first things first, I need to get a heart. You can draw a heart, but I'm just going to go to Creative Fabrica to get it. Literally, just go to Creative Fabrica, type heart, and I think I'm going to use this one right here. This one here, click on download. And if you guys don't have access to Creative Fabrica, you'll find the link down below in the description that will give you 10 downloads for free. And if you decide to go ahead with the subscription, it will be only $4.99 per month if you go for the yearly upfront. I think this is the best option that there is on Creative Fabrica. It's the one that I have as well. Now, there's one other thing that we need as well. We need the template of the design. Where do you get it from? Go to your Merch by Amazon account, go to the phone cases over here, either iPhone or Samsung Galaxy, and go down here, click on product templates and click on this one right here, and then download the Photoshop template. Then you're going to go to the designer in Merch Dominator and open that template. It's a PSD file. You shouldn't have an issue opening it. Click on open and locate your file and open it just like that. Now what you need to do is you need to place your design within the safe area, either for Samsung Galaxy or for iPhone, and then turn it off. Then you can download your design. I'll show you how to do all of that. Now in terms of the font, I can just click on the character button over here, and the font is called Cooper. If you don't have it, you can simply click on this button right here and click on load font, locate your font, and you'll be able to load it onto the designer here. Now once you have everything ready, click on text, make the font bigger to 400 pixels. Maybe that's too big. We'll change it in a bit. I'm gonna do I and change the color of the text as well. Click on OK. Yeah, this is too big. And make it smaller. My hot. And now I'm gonna add the heart. So as you can see, I put them in two separate layers, just like that. You can put them in one layer if you want, but you just have to increase the spacing between I and my heart. See which way works best for you. You can do it either way. Now I'm gonna get the heart and put it here. you just drag the PNG of the heart and put it here, just like that. Picture is too big, so we're going to make it smaller. Play around with it until it fits well. That looks good. Now I need to change the color of this heart. Add effects, color overlay. I will choose the red, just like that. Now I'm going to click on Alt on Mac and drag down. I'm going to type girlfriend. Make sure that it fits well. So now I need to continue the design. Drag down again. So please drag down again. Stay away from me. Now I need to copy the color overlay from heart to stay away. Because I've got Mac, I'm literally going to click on Option or Alt and drag down, just like that. Done. I'm going to create a rectangle, just like that. I don't want the actual fill, I just want the stroke. I'm going to disable the fill, as you can see, and activate the stroke. Make it black, turn it up, something like this. We'll see if it works. And give it a go. You never know. I'll adjust it until I'm happy. So that's the design. Imagine this is the camera over here, and this is the entire phone, right? You want it to be in the middle, kind of. So I think it looks fine like this. Now we need to add another layer so that we can add our background. Go over here, fill layer, color fill, and we want it to be white. Click on OK, and we want it to be at the bottom, just before the guide. And there we have it. Now we turn off our guides, and we simply download our design. You just click on File, click on Export As, PNG, name it wherever you want, then click on Save. Now come over here to your listing and you want to put your design here, just like that. You can scale it up and place it wherever you want, or simply click on the fill button. I want to put it somewhere in the middle, and we want to check the preview. Always check the preview. See how it goes down? It goes down in the preview. And this is what you want to always monitor to make sure that it looks good. Now, if you designed it the way I showed it to you guys, when you click on fill, it will literally be placed exactly where you wanted it to be placed. And if you want to change the background, you can always change the background color from here. We're going to keep it white for now. Next, we have collecting keywords. Remember to incorporate relevant keywords in your product description. This will facilitate easier discovery of your product. We'll get these keywords from the Redbubble tag generator, and we're going to use them to create our listing using the AI listing creator. Everything is done very, very efficiently and with the minimum time spent possible. So we go to Redbubble module, we open a new tab with the tag generator, and I'm just going to type I love my girlfriend, then click on search. Okay, we have a bunch of keywords. I'm simply going to use the most relevant ones. You've got two options. You can either select your keywords and then copy selected, or you can copy specified, where you can just specify 30 first tags and then copy them like that. Next, you want to come to AI tools and click on AI listing creator. You want to click on saved prompts, and you want to create your prompt for the phone case listing if you haven't got it yet. That's it. I'm going to click on save. Now we've added our prompts. I'm going to go to AI listing creator again. I'm not going to use the AI to generate my title and brand because I want to dial them in properly, or simply use the title of the bestseller. I'm going to click on autofill to import my prompts that I've just saved, and the same thing for description. And now I'm going to add the keywords. So I'm going to use this phrase that describes the design, of course. I'm going to add design. Girlfriend is fine. This is good. So tweak the keywords how you like. Add or take away some keywords. And then once you're happy, click on submit. Now make sure you read the bullets and the description that the AI has created. And once you're happy with your listing, come down here and select your parameters for trademark search. So we're going to do USPTO, registered, class 9, and word. Click on check trademarks. I've checked these trademarks. They all look fine. So now we can literally copy this listing into our create page of Merch by Amazon and publish. Now, as for the design title, I literally just got the title of the bestseller because it is being searched for. There's a likelihood that I might get ranked with them as well using the same title. For the brand, I literally just typed the name of the quote. That's it. And now I'm going to click on publish and publish again. And that's it. If it goes through to processing, it should take around about an hour and you'll become live on Amazon and people can literally go and buy it. And if you guys are not subscribed to Merch Dominator, you're definitely missing out. If you want to take advantage of the 50% discount that's running right now before it expires, make sure you enter this code right here, 50 off. Make sure that it's with capital letters and click on apply, and it becomes $24.50 instead of $49. If you guys want to get an even better discount, go for the yearly option. You get 2 months off on top of the original discounts. So when you click on the annual option, it becomes $245 for the year. That's around about $20 per month when you factor in the 12-month discounts. And then click on register and continue your registration to be able to benefit from the discounts. If you guys need the Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. So I've just shown you 5 straightforward steps that can elevate your Merch by Amazon business from novice to pro. Remember, persistence is the secret ingredient. Continue your research, persist with your designs, and constantly upload. Your consistency will definitely pay off. Keep an eye out for more helpful advice and clever strategies to boost your POD business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive insights. Check out this video right here to see how I upload pop sockets to Merch by Amazon. And until our paths cross again, keep designing and keep selling.